Hello, my name is Carly, and this is Carly's Crafts and Interests. Welcome to my channel. It's been a minute since I have done a video. I know that summer has trotted on as hot as it's been. Has it been hot where you are? Because we haven't got a lot of rain here. I wish we would have, and I wish we could because it's very hot and the grass is all crunchy and basically I'll be glad for fall. Today I'm going to do a bit of a show and tell rather than a make, but it is something that you can make. I have right here, I can move it down, way down so you can see. This is a light that I made. It's made to look like stained glass, only these are not glass. You can customize it however you would like it to be. As you can see, none of the panels are exactly the same anyway, but you can do different colors, different color combinations. They give you these little paints here. I don't think they give you quite enough sometimes, because I felt like I was running out before I was done. But other than that, and they give you a good few more. The blue, you can see bluey, you can see green, you can see a brownish kind of color here. And it's very simple. They give you a whole bag of tiles that look like this. They're plastic. And you paint on one side. And there's also bigger ones here that you can see. These squares here. And once it's dry, then you can slot them in to the 4 panels and put the top on. Now, the great thing about this is that it is a usable light. It's not a very bright light, but it is a usable light. And I'm going to show you it lit. Just 1 minute. Okay, so here we have it unlit, and here it is lit, as you can see. I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. I have never done one of these before. One thing I did notice is that the paint did tend to run if you have to move them at all. I did, because my cats love my desk and they will get up on there all the time, and I worried that with these little panels being wet that they would just scatter them all over and I'd see paint on my cat's paws. So that can happen. Another thing is they don't tell you how long to have these dry. I thought that it would be at least about 24 hours or so, and then everything would be dry. No, it was more like 36 to 40 hours that it took them to dry. And otherwise, because it was very hard to get off the template that they give you. I'm not going to show you that, it's rather destroyed now, because I was getting the panels off of it. But they give you a template, so you know where to put your different designs and you can design it. But other than that, thought that this was a pretty good project. And if you like stained glass but don't want to use glass, this is a perfect way to do it. And it is pretty quick and easy. You can use your imagination and do the panels any way that you would like with the colors, whatever ways look good to you. If you have other colors that you like better, use those. I did in a couple of places. I put purple in a couple of places and I wasn't given a purple and such. And so that is my show and tell today. I decided to make it and then show it. I thought that would be a better idea. Sorry for my cluttered room. It is what it is, as they say. If you haven't followed me, I hope you will. And if you have, I'm glad that you have. I'm glad that I know a lot of you are enjoying the shorts that I put up. I try, as my cats do something interesting or funny or whatever, cute. Yeah, I try to capture those things. Stay tuned for more different videos. They're kind of sporadic. I understand that. I've had a goal, but you know how you have best made plans, sometimes it don't happen the way you want, but you do what you have, you do with what you have. I hope you have a great day and enjoy this show and tell. I enjoyed showing it to you, and have a great day. Till next time, I will see you then.